Hi, today's tutorial will be for this trick. First of all, make the algorithm that I show you. After the algorithm, your Rubik's Cube will look like this. We're ready for the trick. Hold the Rubik's Cube from this position. And we throw it into our package in this way. And we take out the Rubik's Cube with assembled sides. After a few trainings you will perform this trick professionally. Like the video if you like it and subscribe.